What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And this video is showing you guys how to install a matte performance clutch line on your Gen 1 Mazdaspeed or Gen 2. Should be the same. But yeah, in the beginning it starts off from, I was already about to put it in. And I said some of the videos was I recorded that video too once I got the car done, and for some reason I don't know if my phone or maybe because it's too full of a bunch of stuff on my phone, but a bunch of videos got deleted. So I gotta see what's going on with that. But I'm just making this the intro of this right now. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, the video is showing you guys how to replace your clutch line on your Mazdaspeed Gen 1 and 2. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let's go. So here's the car right here. Again, I already put it together. I recorded me putting it together, just showing the progress of it. I already started it. I even put my logo, YouTube logo on it. So what I have a problem with, so when I put it together, I was gonna shift through all the gears and stuff like that, and the clutch pedal went down and it stayed on the ground. So I looked at the slave cylinder and look at the slave cylinder seal, the top piece of the slave cylinder came apart. But I'm thinking, because when instead of me taking it from the line, I just took it off from the 2 bolts and took it out, and I think the piston extended too much out where it made the seal come out. So I think that's what happens. I took it fully apart, took it to work and cleaned it. I cleaned it and I put it back together, and the seals, everything working fine, is compression fine, everything. So when I went to go put it back in, the line was leaking. So the stock lines has like a grommet at the end of it. Let me see. Can't really see. I gotta take it out, but it has a grommet at the end of the line. So it's this grommet and a seal. They're both seals, but it's so if you pull that out, you really have to be careful because it's really small and it's real bouncy. So I'm guessing when I pulled it out, I didn't see it, and it popped off somewhere and then got lost. So I looked in the garage everywhere for it, couldn't find it. So the piece, let me pull it out and I'll show you guys. I'll pull it out and I'll show you guys. All right, so you see that black piece that's on the end of the line? So there goes, I put a seal on it, thought maybe I could put seals on it, and it still doesn't work. It needs that little cap. As you guys can see right there, it's supposed to be like a little grommet cap. It looks like the cap that goes on the brake lines when you're trying to bleed the brakes. It looks like that, but there's a hole in them, and yeah, it seals it. So that was missing. So what I did, if you go online, you can get that whole black piece with the seal and grommet on there, but it's like $50-some. So this is what I got. So what I got is a full stainless steel braided clutch line. You see it has 2 seals at the end, and it's kind of like flared up at the ends, so it kind of compensates for the grommet that was missing on my end. So yeah, so I got it from Matte Performance. It says, where's the thing at? I don't see it, but I got this from Matte Performance. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can get your own if you want one. So this was like $63 plus tax and shipping. So altogether it was like, I think $80-something. So yeah, the little grommets is, like I said, it's like $50-something already. So I said I got this because I think it's a better deal, because you get a whole stainless steel braided line, and it's the whole thing, and you get both new seals at the ends. It replaces the stock one. So yeah, so I got that one. That's a better option to use anyways. So yeah, so now I'm about to install that and bleed the clutch, and hopefully everything works right. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I have to take off the battery. Well, you have to get the battery tray to get to that line, take it off, but I show you guys step by step. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery, then disconnect the ECU, and go from there, and I'll show you guys when I come back. All right, so this here line right here, you see the line going across from right here right there, it's right there, then it goes to right there. So all you gotta do is just lift it up from that the grommet, from this right here. Let's see if I can do it. There you go. Just lift it up, then you see the clip right here. You just take the clip off and it pops out. And it should have the grommet on this side too, the one that I'm missing. So if so, I will show you guys that what it looks like when I pull it out. But yeah, that's the line right there. I already have it disconnected from the bottom from there. So I'm just gonna put it and slide it out. All right, so there's two parts of it. So here's the end, what it looks like. So same with this one. This one does not have the seal or the grommet. Unless it's so small it popped out when I don't see it, because I don't know, but I looked inside the one part. You can see right there, that's where you take off the other end off and you put it right there. See, it connects like stock. So that's how I have it. And then you pull it off the grommet from this part right here. Then you can route it just long enough to get it all the way to the front. So yeah, you take it from there, you clip it. So this is the stock lines. Like, they both didn't have the little partlets. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't move up, so I don't know. It's supposed to be a grommet at the end of these. So the stock lines, oh well. That's what it looks like. So you take it off. I wonder if I can take off the grommet and kind of put it on the stock just to let it sit. But I don't know, let's see. But so yeah, you connect it from there. This is the end. You just follow the line. It's way back here. Right there, you can see it's locked in place like stock. So now the clip is in. You can see. So yeah. So I'm gonna route it and see if I can what way to route it, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, so I have it on. So what I did, I took off the grommets and just put it in like that, and then route it kind of like almost the same how it was, and it just went like that on that one. So then route it across, and then you put your hang it down, then just put it on the part right here where it came off from. Let me see if I can zoom in. This little thing right here, I'm just gonna put it in there, and then pretty much it's gonna be to how it was. It's a little bit longer than stock, but I mean, it will work, and it's better with this line anyway. So I'm gonna route it back to where it was right here. Then I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna start bleeding the clutch, and I'll show you how to do that too. All right, so I have it in. There you go. That's how I pretty much have it routed in stock form, but like I said, it's a little bit longer, the line. I might later on figure another way to route it. But you see right there, it goes like that, and up, go right there. So yeah, so now you gotta just reverse, put everything back. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have the intake on, all that battery. Then I'll show you guys what to do to bleed the clutch. All right, so I'm back. So everything is on. So everything's back to where it was. I need to fix this. Take that off so it doesn't be rubbing up on against that. So next thing now, you put fluid in. So let me put the fluid in, top it off, then you can start bleeding it. So let me top it off real quick. I only got one hand. I'll top it off and I'll come back to you guys. All right, so I have the bleeder on. So this is what I have. I have this pump to get the air out of the system. So you just keep doing that till you see no bubbles. And so I'm gonna do that right now. This is you do that if you don't have no other person with you. So that's what you can use when you're just yourself. So I'm about to pump bleed the system and go from there. So once everything's good, we'll come back to you guys. So after that, everything went fine. Everything was good. It was good to go. Sorry I didn't record after when it was good. I had to take care of some business that came up. But everything was smooth after that. Bleed the clutch. Everything went great. Everything worked, and drove the car. And now you guys see, I've been driving the car now. Just getting a little bit of miles on it, because the motor. But yeah. Next step, I'm gonna probably be buying the coolant reservoir and the power steering pump reservoir for Court Sport and put it on the Gen 1. So stay tuned for that, guys. That'll be coming soon. Some other stuff, motor mount. I'm gonna get Damien motor mounts too for it. So yeah, that will be coming soon. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the bottom of the comments. Let me know what you think about the video. And again, sorry about the last video of me doing the progress of the motor. I did show how to do the timing, but like I said, some reason that video was gone, deleted out of my phone. Some other videos was deleted out of my phone too. Like when I had a video of me, the motor was hanging with the transmission. I was about to put it inside the car. That was gone. And like you guys seen in the video, it showed like doing the transmission, put the clutch on it, and then it shows the motor was in the car. So again, sorry about that video, guys, but that was just a process of me taking the motor out and putting it on. Most of the time you guys see mostly what I do, but yeah, what I did to take the motor out and put everything on and stuff like that, cleaned it. But yeah, the Gen 1 runs great. So yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, I'm gonna be buying some more parts for the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. I will be showing you guys a video of the Gen 2 doing a VVT kit on that, because I want to replace that timing chain on that too. So that I will show step by step on that. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.